Yeah, this is the patient. Is already 9 months. She came to see me to consult about to lower hairline from here to here, and her concern also around this area is very wide. She was born with a very high forehead, and she wished to have to lower her hairline. So she have done hair transplant, smart FUE technique 9 months ago. Today we are seeing the result. Now, from here to here is all transplanted hair, and you see it's very natural and have grown very well, and even from here to here it's grown very well. And I'm coming back again. You can see it's very natural here, here, and this is called the Windows peak here, and around here all the graft has grown very nice and covering the angle, giving her forehead and the side more narrow.